Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what I found on the hourly time frame is that we have some form of exhaustion. Basically we have this tight channeling mode, upside channeling mode, but in the background, we had actually quite a big run move. So this might be the exhaustion pattern that we're building here. And there is a chance for the lower prices from my perspective, and maybe even towards the this area around 132.75, let's say 80 level, and 132.20 level. So from my perspective, as long the high at 134.22 can hold, there is a chance for this potential downside breakout and then a rotation back towards this area where we initially started this upside move. So I think this is pretty interesting condition. We will see if the market will have also a confirmation, but definitely this might be in the play. Speaking of the gold market, we had potential for the rally back and this to be ABC, but there was a breakout to the downside. But if we take a look at, for example, the levels that we're trading right now, we can see that we have actually quite significant levels here where the market stopped. So we have this area, hold this area. I will say it's significant because we had basically some major reactions from there. And then we had some buying tails here on the 4-hour time frame. Still, the trend is upside, and we're building higher lows overall. And from my perspective, there is a chance for the further higher prices, and maybe even to revisit this 2047 level. So pay attention and hold this zone, like this big support zone. A rising trend line is there, and the chance for the price to retest in the next period, the 2047 level. If we speak about the crude oil, crude oil is still trading above this key cluster, resistance cluster, and now this cluster is acting like support. And the market is right now in stagnation, so we have a sideways move. We mark this like a potential completion of the downside correction. Market rallied of that point, and then now it's just basically doing the sideways mode. So ideally, if the market can again retake the 83 level and or for example 83.40 level, if the market can retake that these levels, then we can have a higher prices and maybe even higher prices towards the 87.75, maybe even the 92, 93 level. But for now, this is still in consolidation, and we need to pay attention of this whole zone overall. So consolidation on the crude oil. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had a consolidation. Now market is going to the downside. So will the market try to retest this bigger consolidation and retest the swing highs in the background? So there is a potential as well for that. We can see that this was a key resistance level and market respected pretty much. It broke here and then sold off. So there is a chance that Bitcoin went way too far, way too fast, and then this consolidation, we have this downside break. So there is a chance for the lower prices. And maybe even to retest of at least 29,670, and maybe even to retest of the 29,000 mark. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.